Thank you for the reminder, Congressman Acop, sir. And to the members of this committee, I feel, and it is my right to state before this committee and the August Chamber of Congress, that this committee is not above the law. No one in government is above the law. We are a government of laws. I am protected under the SOTO law. I have the constitutional right. I requested per record that I may be given competent advice and assistance of a legal counsel, and such right is guaranteed by the Constitution. And such right is also stipulated clearly in Section 12 of the Governing House Rules pertaining to committee hearing and conduct of investigation. And even if I am not in a court trial, the right to seek out counsel advice and assistance from a counsel is a part of principle of due process, a principle guaranteed by the Constitution. And I believe before I answer any further question, may I manifest respectfully and humbly before this committee that all the statements, even after under oath, in the absence of competent legal advice and assistance previously, may be granted to be stricken off the record because I believe my constitutional rights were violated.
Mr. Ceres is out of order. He is out of order because you cannot dictate this house and you cannot move. Only members, you ask members of this house.
Yes, I am explaining.
No,
I am not moving.
no, your manifestation is out of order.
I am requesting.
Do not lecture us.
No, I am not
the rules
lecturing.
of this
I am standing up for my right. I am standing up for my right.
Remember, we might cite you contempt.
Then so be it. Your Honor.
You challenge us?
Yes.
Okay.
If that will be seen in the nation na walang karapatan ang mga invited guests dito na magpahayag, Your Honor, with due respect to you, I do not believe na ang kongresong ito ay lalabag sa karapatan ng mga mamayan. Your Honor, I am going to in this chamber and I am submitting myself before the country in protest. My constitutional rights are violated in this committee. I'm sorry to say, let me be detained in this chamber and decided in contempt. I will not participate if my constitutional right will not be guaranteed. You are not here to decide for my constitutional right.
Let me finish.
There's a point of order, the Honorable
Finish. What I'm saying, I am not telling you to stop. What I'm saying is, my out of order. Sandali, makinig ka. My out of order is all about your manifestation. Straighten up. Patapusin mo ako.
Yes, sir.
Huwag ka may bastos.
Hindi ako bastos, nagpapaliwanag
Patapusin mo ako.
ako.
Mr. Chairman, I would just like to correct. I am not stopping him to issue statement. What I'm saying is, and what I'm pointing out of order is the manifestation that the previous statement, the previous record, should be taken out of order. And under the rules, he is not allowed to do it.